So in order to get the password reset up and running, what I'm going to do is in my accounts app, I'm going to create a new file called urls_reset.py. And this will allow us to create our reset specific URLs and map them to views. So inside of this file then, I'm just going to say from Django .urls.conf import URLs or URL, sorry. And then from Django.core.url resolvers, I'm going to import reverse lazy. Then I'm also going to import Django.contrib.auth .views, and from there I'm going to import each of the different password reset specific views. So we're going password reset view. We want the password reset done view. We want the password reset confirm page, and we want the password reset complete view. And these are all views that are already provided by Django that will allow us to implement the URL or the password reset functionality. So let's create a list here then called URL patterns. And then we'll just, inside of there, we'll just create a brand new URL. And this is going to be the base URL. And we'll give it a value of reset. And then we want to create some context here. So we'll have post reset redirect, and that's going to redirect to the password reset done view. And then we're going to give this this URL a name, so we'll call it password reset. And I misspelled reset there, and instead of going for reset, we'll just keep it at the base level. I'm just going to knock this down to the next line, so just clean it up a little bit. Just pop in my missing S there. And then we have the next URL. So the next URL is going to be the done URL. So we just pop the word done inside of the URL pattern. And this is going to point to password reset done. And we're going to just give this a name of password reset done. The next URL is a bit more involved. So we're going to have a pretty complex pattern here for this one. So this URL is going to contain a token that will have to be passed, that will have to be generated for each specific user. So we need to create a unique password, or we need to create a unique URL for each password reset that's called. So what I'm going to do is going to open up a bracket here, and I'm going to put in a question mark. And then we need to create a UID. So a UID B64. And then that UID is going to be made up of 0 letters or numbers from 0 to 9. And then letters capital A to capital Z and lowercase a to lowercase z. Then after that, we're going to have our token. And this will be the URL that will be given to any user that it will be a unique URL that will be given to any user that tries to reset their password. And this is going to link then to the URL or to the password reset confirm page. And this is usually the URL that would be sent in an email. So we say post, and then it's going to post redirect, or sorry, post reset confirm, and we're going to use reverse lazy then to redirect to the post reset confirm view. Or sorry, post reset complete view. And we're going to give it a name of password reset complete or confirm. And we have one more URL now to enter. So this URL is going to be complete. So once it's complete, then we'll just password underscore reset complete. And we'll give this a name then of password reset underscore complete. And that's that done. So now we need to load them from another urls.py file, which we'll take a look at next.